Hello viewers, let's explore Microsoft Store in computer to download games, movies and different apps. So I'll download an app which would not be available in display of Play Store. Now click on your window and it appears Microsoft Store. So in case if it doesn't appear or not visible, come down to search, type Microsoft Store and it appear at the top. So click it. When it opens this type of interface at home available, now let me check games. There are a lot of games, and after that, apps are also available. But let me search for TikTok. The app TikTok is not visible or in display. Type TikTok in search and select this 3.4 rating. Now click Get, and it's about to install. Click Open. Now TikTok app is in front of you. So let me cross it and I'll feed the choice of mine. Click done and it's now rightly available. Now let me click login. I'll use Google Mail or continue with Google. No phone or Facebook has been used. So let me select my email address, then click continue. And now it's almost done. Provide your date of birth, year, month. Click next. And now you can create a unique username, but let me skip it. It's available and right, you can enjoy it. Remember, I installed the app TikTok on my PC because I don't want to keep it on my mobile. So the same way you can download and use different app on Microsoft Store through your laptop. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.